What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to enable the prone button when playing Call of Duty Mobile. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Open up Call of Duty Mobile and navigate to your game settings by tapping on the gear icon on the top right of your screen. Here, in the Basic tab, under Multiplayer Mode, you have the option to disable the Hide Prone Button option. This will allow you to use a separate button to prone while playing Call of Duty Mobile. You can disable the same option for the Battle Royale and Zombies game mode. When this is done, navigate to the Controls tab. Here, you can choose your preferred mode. I will use the Advanced mode. Tap on Custom Layout. As you can see, there will be a prone button on the bottom right by default after disabling the Hide Prone Button option. Select the button to change the scale, opacity, and location of the button on your screen when in-game. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.